The 3 new laws introduced for farmers have been discussed for decades, precisely why they will be a watershed moment. Experts today are attempting to be on the right side of history, for it will not be the present but the future that judges them. Economic and agriculture experts have reiterated a fact. In the words of Ashok Gulati, the reforms could be a harbinger of major change in agri-marketing, a 1991 moment of economic reforms for agriculture. These reforms benefit the consumer as well as the farmer, which would be one of the most efficient marketing systems. Mr. Gulati also says these laws will easily provide a solution to both the farmers and the consumers. Similarly, Surjit S. Bhalla equates these reforms to the future and argues that a rollback would be nothing short of an ode to imperialism. Calling out the out-of-proportion protests surrounding the new laws, Arvind Panagaria says, "The 3 farm bills is a bold step in the right direction and will lead to thousands of new experiments and unleash different models to improve the efficiency and competitiveness in agriculture." These new reforms are aimed towards providing the much-needed sense of modernity to a set of archaic rules. Gautam Chikarmane says, "A reform that proposes to increase the prices farmers get for their output by giving them flexibility to sell, with governments continuing to support a base minimum through the MSP within the extant system, should not cost anyone." Another aspect of the 3 laws is, of course, the redistribution of opportunity rather than its limitation to a select few. I.Y.R. Krishna Rao adds by saying, "A legislative measure that allows alternative systems to develop, which can provide competition to these market yards, should be something farmers should welcome." Going forward, the significance of these reforms must not be forgotten. The government and the new reforms have similarly fulfilled their duty to Indian farmers. This is one of the first steps in doubling farmers' income.